The first Monday of the month, you post your medical questions on Facebook. Dr. Greg Silverin joins us now with the answers. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Nice to have you here. And so let's go to Marie first, asking about rheumatoid arthritis. She asks, what medicines are good for arthritis and lupus? Because I'm in pain.
Right.
Help.
This is not a great disease. Unfortunately, it is an autoimmune disease. And basically, there's 3 steps of how you do this. That is, you start with the non-steroidals like Motrin or Advils or those types of things. And then you go on to steroids. And then there's the other ones, which are the anti-inflammatory types of where they really regulate your immune system. These are the kinds of things where you really got to talk to your physician about, look, I'm still in pain. Is there something else that we can go to? Is there a more aggressive types of treatments that we can go to?
All right, very good. Elizabeth and Ronnie Martinez ask about white blood cells. What causes them to elevate? Yes, I do know possible infection, but where and how can you pinpoint it?
Right, that's the other problem, which is if you have these elevated white counts, there's other types of diseases that can do this. Certain types of cancers can do this. Most of the time it's not that. Most of the time it is some type of infection. Again, sometimes if you have these elevated ones and you don't have a fever, it's very important that you get an aggressive workup to find out why this is. Certainly the most common is infections, but other types of things can cause elevated white counts.
All right, we also have time for Ida Jean Flores, who asks, are there certain foods and drinks we should avoid giving our son who suffers from ADHD?
Yes, typically anything that's associated with caffeine or amphetamine types of things, like Red Bulls and any of those types of things, sodas, Coca-Colas. Caffeine is in a lot of things, chocolate. So anything that has something that has caffeine in it, generally stay away from those types of things.
All right, very good. And then you recently just saw something about dandruff.
About somebody wrote one on dandruff today, which is just itchy, flaky scalp. And there's several different types of things. One of those things is wash your hair more frequently or with a different shampoo. And then there's lots of different types of shampoos that include, some are salicylic acid, some have tar, coal tar in them. Try to use different ones. Try to see what works for you.
Oh yeah, I did hear something about tar. It sounds kind of disturbing, but it works.
Yeah, it does work.
All right, thank you, doctor.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Before you